What do you do on Sunday when you're sitting next to a theme park and it just opened and you have season passes? You go. So I'm in the process of finishing up a photo shoot for a listing that we have coming for Ashley Lambert Realty. But since I'm over here near Carowinds exit, I thought, hey, I might as well just come on over here and see if I can ride Fury. And I'm gonna try. All right, so lucky me, I'm able to actually get up in here. Fury's running, and I'm gonna see how long it takes me. It's like 11:51 right now, so maybe if I hurry up, I can get in and out, ride Fury, and be back in my car within 30 minutes. So in all honesty, I don't even know where I parked. I jetted up out of my car so fast. This is my first time coming to Carowinds without anybody. This is just being by myself, so that's gonna be an experience in itself. And in trying to vlog this, I'm trying to show you guys ideally what we thought would be really dope with our season passes is if we just had some time, you know, maybe 45 minutes or so, run up in here, ride a roller coaster I've never ridden before, and then head home. My wife wants some wings, so I gotta find that too, but hopefully that won't be too big of a deal. And since I'm a single rider, kind of like at Disney World, I can just run up on this ride real quick and maybe ride it twice. That'd be really nice. So, like I was saying earlier though, I was actually doing a job. I was shooting some photos for a listing for Sarah Mobley. She's one of our agents for Ashley Lambert Realty. But I also do photos for our agents and for, you know, videos for other people if they really need some videos and things like that. I've done some work for some pretty high-end celebrities. And, you know, if you're interested in that type of a thing, please reach out to me and I can help provide those services and give you some estimates as to how much those things will cost. But God, it's windy right now. They put this thing at the back of the park, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. This is cool. Yeah, it's Sunday. Usually in the South people go to church, but I guess maybe not so much. Not riding that one. Hate that ride. That's the hurler. It always sucked. Oh look, they got some Carowinds stuff up. Love this, man. When's the last time you've been someplace and it's like this on the best roller coaster at the park? That's fucking awesome. So I honestly don't know if I'm gonna ride that again. That was the most intense roller coaster I've ever ridden in my life. And I've ridden a lot, but holy, that drop is insane. Oh, I'm trying to collect myself. I'm a little jittery right now. I'll ride it again because the line is so short, but goodness, man. Whew. I'm trying to collect myself. Saw a lot of throw up there. So, because there's like no wait for this roller coaster, I'm gonna ride it again. And I'm a little shaken still from the first time, but let's just do it again and get it out the way. Since literally there's no line, and why not? Being like a little weakling earlier, that wasn't too bad the second time. It was actually a lot of fun. So either way, it's 12:24. The first time I rode it was 12:15. So I got in the park, got on the ride, rode it, got back right on the ride. Literally didn't even have to wait, just walked right back into the line again. And rode it again, which is dope. And that's what you want when you come to a park and you get a season pass for it, especially a park like Carowinds where you don't really want to stand out here and wait. It's not like a Disney World or something like that where they have a bunch of adventures. But right now, I gotta head home because I gotta get there before the Panther game starts. I gotta find some wings. But yeah, this is fun. Last week talking about the benefits of living in West Charlotte, and this is like another benefit of actually living in the southwestern part of Charlotte. Like if you were going to live in Still Creek, you'd be able to go to places like a Carowinds, which, look at this, hold on a second, take a look at this. So 12:40, I'm back in my car. That was quick. Didn't take long at all, did it? Like I said, I got in the park around like 11:50, just from walking from my car to the front door of the park. Got in the park, tried to get to Fury as fast as I could. Rode Fury around like 12:17 the first time. Got off the ride, thought about leaving, looked at the line, saw that there wasn't one, got back on Fury. The first time it was rough, was not expecting that drop like that. I was kind of shook a little bit, but the second time was way better for me because I knew what was coming, and I'm glad I did it the second time because I think I would have put it on a pedestal and it would have just been too much to want to ride again. But can't wait to come back with Ashley to ride this ride. But again, man, this is one of the benefits of living in a city like Charlotte, and especially around the southwestern side. Get a chance to go to Carowinds, or if you want to live in South Carolina, I guess so too. But now I am off to get some wings because it's a Sunday, it's a Panthers game, and my family needs some wings. So I'll holler at you guys later. Peace. Hi, I'm Reggie, and welcome to my real estate YouTube channel. I'm a North Carolina realtor with Ashley Lambert Realty, servicing the Charlotte metro area. On my channel, I post videos explaining the home buying and selling process. I also have some tips and tricks for real estate, DIY projects, and of course, home video walkthroughs. Make sure you subscribe for new content and comment below to introduce yourself. I look forward to hearing from you.